good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you. Welcome to the 2196th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, welcome. It is Monday evening. This video coming at you on a Monday night for Trading Tuesday. That is 11/24/2020. This is the week of Thanksgiving holiday here in the United States, and we expect very choppy markets this week. You need to hit and run. First thing on the board, holiday markets are choppy. If you get in a position and you're winning and you get to a profit objective, get out and sidestep, because we know the risks behind this game, right? If you don't, make sure you understand them. You can lose more than you have in your trading account if you are in futures on the wrong side or options. In fact, the way I see things these days with margin and the amount of movement, you can lose more money than you have in your trading account trading almost anything if it's on margin these days. So please be careful. Never trade without stops. And if you are going to trade, use money that's earmarked to possibly be lost in case that happens. But not with the Omni lately, baby. Woohoo! And we're going to go after another good trade on Monday night for Tuesday. We did all right on Monday. Let's see what we can do for Tuesday. Traders on the board. Holiday markets are choppy. So when I say hit and run, I'm talking get in your position, wait for a profit objective, get out of your position, and then don't be cute after that. No more trading after that. Because the way the markets operate on choppy weeks, even if it goes up or down, it doesn't go in one direction. You get these quick drops for no reason or these quick rallies for no reason. Why? Well, because many traders, many funds will not be trading as we get closer to the holiday. And what you can find is these pirate-type wise guys that have a decent enough fund can come in and hit that price ladder, and you don't need that happening to you. So be good about it. Use your analysis, get in, get out, sidestep, and we'll trade whatever days we can this week while it's profitable. And if it starts to become unprofitable, we'll stop for the holiday. So, number 2 on the board. The Russell 2000 is leading the charge. NASDAQ and ES should follow in suit. I'll show you some charts, but I'll tell you right now, the way Russell's running, these two are going to have to follow. And you know, 5-6 weeks ago, I had a conversation with a good friend of mine, and I said, you know, buddy, I think if we just get long the Russell shares, the Russell stocks, just look at the Russell, I think fund managers are going to buy the Russell through the roof for the rest of the year. And lo and behold, it has been happening. Within a week or so, within 6 days of me having that conversation with him, it's been going, and now it's leading the charge towards the end of the year. You got to love it. Number 3 on the board, Bitcoin still looks good, baby. Even if it has a little bit of a pullback during the holiday week, because we know nothing goes straight up, and boy, Bitcoin's had a lot of straight up. So if it has a little pullback this week, so be it. I've got charts to make you realize that that is absolutely correct. Let it pull back if it's going to. It's very strong. But if it's going to pull back, it would be healthy if it happens this week. Traders, you Omniacs who've just been out to OmniCamp, your analysis, your homework is looking fantastic so far. The interaction, you guys have really done well while you were out here. Make sure you continue to do that homework. And call me if you need me, guys. Make sure you finish your homework before you apply this to real money. Speaking of OmniCamps, tentative, I don't know, but I think third week in February, we're going to hold another one. It's tentative for now, but think in your minds if you want to come out. We're going to do an OmniCamp probably in the 3rd week of Feb starting next year. So it gives us a few weeks for the new year to begin and the markets to rock and roll, and then we can get together and, you know, have a nice session here, and I can teach a few of you cats how to get this Omni correct. If you would like to do that, if you want to come out to Vegas, make sure that you contact me between now and next month. 702-629-4755. Only 3 students get approved. Send in your applications. Go to livewithoscar.com. Click the application. You can see the banner, the OmniCamp banner at the top of every page. Click that and fill it out. Or if you really want to tell me about yourselves, go to OMNI BOOTCAMP.com, and there's a questionnaire there, and I'll find out much more about your trading style, and then we'll get to speak. So if you want to come out and learn this craft and learn the Omni, Make sure you fill out those OmniCamp applications. Traders, if you'll indulge me, here's a quick video of what one of the OmniCampers had to say that just graduated last week. Just indulge me. Take a look.
So I learned about Oscar from some friends that are in the hedge fund industry, and I came here because trying to improve my trading skills, which were zero, pretty much zero. I was doing a lot of mistakes in my trading, and then I figured that a person like Oscar could help me. You really get way more than what you pay for. I would actually go as far as saying that anybody that ever wants to think about trading, or anybody that wants to get involved in the financial markets, it's a must to be here. It's a must to be here before you even get into it. It will save you a lot of money.
Traders, the Russell 2000, and boy, is it just leading the charge. And what I love is that it's stair-stepping. That's what I would call this. It is stair-stepping higher. Building nice little flag-looking things, stepping above them, building another, stepping above, maybe building another. That looks fantastic right now. The same exact chart showing you that this stair-stepping is in unison or in uniform with the markets. It's heading up on a pretty decent parallel channel. So great look to it right now. This is propelling the other markets. So NASDAQ is having trouble, as I've been showing you in video after video, at this resistance line. But if Russell continues, NASDAQ's going to knock on this door enough times and go. So I like what I'm seeing in that Russell to pull the NASDAQ through. And the double top that's been lingering for quite some time in the Dow Jones daily is now getting challenged as well. We're right here bouncing on this red line. And I think if the Russell pulls up, so too will the Dow Jones. So those are the indices, and I'm going to let the Russell lead the charge. If we're going to trade anything on Tuesday, it will be the Russell 2000. Then you've got crude. Yesterday's trade for the OmniAX, I put this chart out. I said, look at this wonderful chart. We need to get long crude. Watch how it behaves around this 50-bar moving average. Look at this. Once you get above, look at the action, stops cold, look at the action, gets under it, and then look at the action here. Insane, right? The way it just adhered to this average. So you know the street is using this average on crude. Well, now we are above the average, and we built this smart-looking pennant flag. So here's where it was. We tried to get long. I'll be honest, we missed our buy. We did everything in our power, but we didn't get filled. And that is what happened. Nice technical call there. So far, so good. Now, of course, just to keep the technicals going here, crude's going to have to challenge that double top when it gets up here, but we'll worry about that when it gets up there. And then we've got Bitcoin. Finally, Bitcoin. Traders, you got to love it. What a tear it's been on. Broke out of this massive channel into a really sharp channel now. So you get a couple of pullback days and you end up here. So what at the end of the holiday? Maybe then we take this channel and move it on up higher. So I like Bitcoin for buying dips. I don't know what Bitcoin would do during holiday week because its life hasn't been around that long, the future. Bitcoin futures hasn't been around all that long to give me characteristics of how it behaves around holidays. But eventually we'll figure it out because Bitcoin looks like it's here to stay. So traders, that's what I wanted to show you. Let's finish this video. So traders, you've seen the charts. Now listen, if you want to come out to learn the Omni, once again, another good month last month for Omni. Unofficial results, I have them tallied from 2 different independent sources. Then they bring them to me, and if those 2 match exactly to my tallies, well, then we sort of display the results. Those are the results right now for last month. If you follow the Omni trades on a 1-lot basis, you made over $17,000 just last month on a 1 lot per tick. So if I said, let's buy it here, let's get out there, and you did a 1 lot. If you did that every trade, win, lose throughout the month, $17,000 and change looks like you would have made had you taken the Omni trades. So listen, fills vary, right? Better fills, worse fills, commissions. So maybe you would have made 15, maybe you would have made 18. I don't know what the number is, but boy, we did pretty well. And if you want to learn how to do that, make sure you contact me, 702-629-4755, or just come to futurestraders.com and find me in my live trading room. All right, traders, that's it. I don't know how many videos I will do this week. Depends on market movement. If the market stays the same, I'll back off on videos. It's a holiday week. Market changes direction. I'll be right back out in front of the camera. For now, buying dips in the Russell. We'll see where that goes. Thank you so much for tuning in. Subscribe. Please subscribe to these videos. Get them out there on the internet. Get them out there to your friends. Let them know the good we do here at the Omni Trading Academy. And then, for yourselves, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to keep those emotions at bay, and believe me, I know that's not easy, but try this. Come to my trading room. I'll keep you calm. Then say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, before you put the stops in, and then afterwards as well. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you, traders, and I will see you in my next video. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.